Hi guys, today I will be teach you how to get Sony Vegas Pro 17 absolutely free. This will be the easiest way to get Vegas Pro. Okay, first of all, go to this link. I have provided this link in the description, so don't worry. Now scroll it. Now scroll down. Here you can see Vegas Pro 17. You can purchase here, okay, but we are not going to purchase. Just click on free trial. Okay, after clicking free trial, now here you can see start download. Now click on start download button. Okay, so after downloading you will get this file. Here it is. You will get this file after downloading. Now click on here. Now open it. Click on yes. Here you can see Sony Vegas Pro is going to ready for installing. Here you can see. Now just check Vegas Pro 17. We don't need these two files. Okay, now click on continue. Now Vegas Pro 17 is going to install. Okay, so I have already installed this file, so I am going to cancel it. Okay, so after installing Sony Vegas Pro 17, now you have to download the patch file. Here it is. I have given this link in the description. This will be the second link. Okay, this is very important. Without this patch file you will not be able to use Sony Vegas Pro freely. Okay, so just you have to click this download button. Okay, then the patch file will be downloading. After downloading the patch file, just you have to extract that patch file in your monitor, desktop or PC. Okay, here you can see Vegas Pro 17 patch file. Now click on here. But in this section you might turn off your antivirus if you have in your computer, but it doesn't mean that this patch is a virus. I am using it without any trouble. It will work flawlessly, but if you don't feel safe, you can find another way to get this software, but I think it will work 100% flawlessly and safely. Okay, so okay, Now just after turn off your antivirus, now click on crack it. Now open it. Click on yes. Select your language. Now this is the patch file for Activision version. Now click on next. You can change your destination. Okay, yeah, this is your choice. Now click on next. Now here you can see it will pop up this folder already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? Click on yes. Now it's time to install. Now it is going to install. Okay. That's it. So in this way you can get Sony Vegas Pro 17 absolutely free. Okay, let's check it out. Is it working or not? Just go to Sony Vegas Pro. Here it is. Okay, we are going to open this software just for checking is it working or not. Here you can see the Vegas Pro 17, the latest version. Look at this. This is not a trial version. This is full version of Vegas. Okay, so this tutorial is going to finish. You can leave a comment if you face any trouble. If you think this video is useful, you can hit a like button. Okay, what can I say now? If you don't like or hit the red subscribe button, I will never mind. After all, you are watching this video. It will be appreciated by me. So this is Onyx Shamanik. It's time to say goodbye, and I am signing out.